Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. If you are new to this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like, share this video and leave your comment for me. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing and welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you guys for always and always stopping by. So guys, today we are making carrot puff puff. Without wasting much time guys, let's get started. So here is all I'll be using to prepare this carrot puff puff. I have my bowl, I have my onions and my pepper. Of course, this is going to be a spicy puff puff, and then my washed and cleaned carrots. I also have here my nutmeg. So guys, I'm going to start now to measure in my flour. I'll be leaving the ingredients and the measurements in the description box, okay? Please check it out. So I tried this carrot puff puff today and the outcome was wow. This was so delicious, okay? So if they have like, I thought about it, I was like, if there is banana puff puff and there is plantain puff puff and there is coconut puff puff, then why can't I just try this carrot puff puff? And then I tried it and boom, it was so delicious guys. I want you to try this out, okay? You're going to love it, you're going to enjoy it. So guys, enough of the talking, let me just allow you to enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and leave all your comments for me, okay? And don't forget to share this video and also don't forget to subscribe. And here is what my puff puff batter is looking like after mixing it. I'm going to cover it now, leave it in a warm place to proof so that the yeast can proof for about 45 to 1 hour. But if you are in a hurry, you can always use the double boiling method, okay? That proved very fast. So while our puff puff is proving, I'm preparing my carrots. I'm using this now to grate my carrots. I freestyled this carrot. I use the smaller size and also the other size, okay? I just freestyled it. And here is what our batter is looking like after about 45 minutes guys. So now I'm just going to go in with my spatula just to release the air, and then I'll be adding in my onions and my pepper. Guys, I want you to try this recipe. This is so good, like this is so good. I almost finished everything. I forgot I was even on weight loss. I almost finished everything. This is so yummy. If you have kids, your kids will love this. So now I'll add in my carrots, and I'm just going to mix this very well until everything is well mixed. So guys, everything is well mixed now. You see how yummy the batter is already looking like. So now I'm just going to heat up my oil for frying. If you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have not liked this video, please like the video, okay? So yeah, it's my oil already heating up. I'm going to go in now with just small puff puff. I will go in now with just small puff puff butter to check the oil, okay, to check if the oil is ready. So guys, the oil is hot but not enough to accept in our puff puff butter. I'm just going to allow it for just few minutes, okay, because I don't want my puff puff to soak in oil. So now I'll be adding in my puff puff. I love to use this method because I don't like getting my hands messy. There are so many ways of scooping in puff puff. So this is my best method because I don't want to mess up my hand. Or if you have a puff puff scooper, there is puff puff scooper, you can always make use of it, okay? Or you can use your spoon, but you won't be getting that round shape. So I'm going to be frying this on medium to low heat or low to medium heat, okay? Because I don't want my puff puff to get burnt. I don't want it to fry at the outside and not cooked in the inside. So guys, our puff puff is fried now. I'm just going to take it out. Look how yummy this puff puff is looking like. And this is the second method you can use to scoop in your puff puff batter. I don't like this method because this method tend to mess, as in get my hand messy. So I don't like using it. You can always use any one that you prefer. And guys, here we have it. Our yummy carrot puff puff is ready. Let me know in the comment section if this is something that you would love to try. Will you be trying out this recipe? Let me know in the comment section, okay? And don't forget to comment what you think of this recipe too in the comment section. Is this something I would love to try again? Yes, I will try this again because this is so good. This is so yummy. I want you to try that, guys. You're going to enjoy it. And let me know the drink you'll be enjoying this puff puff with. For me, I enjoyed mine with my hot chocolate drink, okay, or cocoa drink. Guys, don't forget to do all of that good things to the channel, okay? Don't forget to like this video, share the video, subscribe, and do all that beautiful stuff. Thank you for watching. Until I come here when it's time, please stay safe. Bye.